how do I re-invoke parameter info inside of Visual Studio? Parameter info is the little tooltip that shows as you're typing out the parameters to a method call. What it does is show you what are the possible method calls and other overloads for a specific method. For example, if I run the draw method for the sprite batch, then you'll see that there is a parameter info list that's given. So if I were to start a call to spriteBatch.draw, as soon as I open the parenthesis, we get this small window, and it's showing us a few things. One, that our current parameter list involves a texture, 2D, a rectangle, and a color, and two, that there are actually 7 overloads to this method. And of course we can access those by hitting the up and down arrow keys and scrolling through them. Now this is very helpful as you're typing out the method call because it tells you exactly what this method is going to be expecting, meaning I could begin typing a background, and then as I hit a comma, it will automatically move on to the next parameter. Now what I want to show here is what to do if you manage to deactivate this window and wish to recall it, meaning if I were to click somewhere else, or accidentally scroll or otherwise cause the window to disappear, how would I go about re-invoking that window without having to completely retype the opening parenthesis? And the quickest way I could do that would be to hit Ctrl K followed by P. So if I hit Ctrl K, second key in the chord is P, that will re-invoke the parameter info window. Another way this can be invoked is actually up here from the toolbar. We have this button on the bottom left that is display parameter info, and again showing the necessary key combination also. So if we hit that button, then wherever we are, if there is a relevant parameter info window, that will reappear, and we can continue typing whatever we need. This is very useful as some of the overloads of some of these methods can be quite long. But with that, that is going to wrap up this How Do I video.